Hi first graders, welcome to Blending Words with Mrs. Pappin. How is everybody today? I'm so happy to see you all. Today we're going to be working on our blends again. I can identify, blend, and spell words with our blends. All right, here we go. Today we are going to practice blending words by using the Elkanon boxes. I'm going to put this first word up on the top. Okay. And we are going to take a few minutes to find the T. What sound does T make? T. We're going to slide it as we make the T sound. We're going to slide the T into the box. T. Find the R. What sound does R make? Find the A. What sound does A make? A. Find the P. What sound does P make? P. Trap. 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 We just blended the word trap. Okay, now I'm going to move some new words up here. And we're going to do the same thing that we just did. We are going to find each letter, say what sound it makes, and slide it into the box. Here we go. Find the C. What sound does C make? K. Find the R. What sound does R make? Find the A. What sound does A make? A. Find the B. What sound does B make? B. Now we're going to blend it. Crab, crab, crab. Okay, very good. Let's move our next word up here. All right, find the T. What sound does T make? T. Find the R. What sound does R make? Find the I. What sound does I make? I. Find the M. What sound does M make? And blend. Trim. 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 Mom decided to trim my hair. So she took me to the barber shop. All right, our next word we're going to move on up. There we go. All right. And our last word oops, sometimes it doesn't want to go in the garbage. There we go. All right, our last word, find the G. What sound does G make? G. Find the R. What sound does R make? Find the A. What sound does A make? A. Find the S. We put both S's in the same box because they only make, even though there's two S's, we only have to make that S sound once. What sound does S make? S. Now let's blend it together. Grass, grass, grass. I went outside to cut the grass. All right, good job blending today, my friends. Please practice blending some more at home. Have a good day. We'll see you soon.